Here's a quick video to show you one way how to hide the wires going up to your TV. Now there's a lot of different kits you can buy and some of them are quite expensive. This is one of the cheapest ways to do it. The only real problem is running the power cable behind the wall. Now it's not code compliant to do that, even though a lot of people do it anyway. What we're going to do in this video is run the low voltage wires. That's all the other wires we're going to use. And in a later video I'll show you how to tap into the electrical outlet below and put another one up behind the TV. So before you start cutting a hole in the wall, you need to know where the studs are, and because this is a power outlet, I know that they always nail it to a stud. So you can knock on either side, and where you hear it a higher pitch, that's where your stud is. The wires go into a faceplate, and that attaches to a bracket, so that's going to clamp onto the drywall. And this is the one I'm going to use. It's made by Carlin. It's a low voltage old work bracket. Old work means the house is already built, and I'm going back and adding this. So it's really easy to mark where you need to cut it out. You can do it like this, but they designed a better way to mark the wall. Flip it around and they have 4 holes on each corner. Just put your pencil there, mark the wall, and then connect the dots. If you don't want to buy this is a drywall saw. You can use a utility knife, but these help you get a cleaner cut. I usually stab it in first to make sure I don't hit anything on either side. Now this bracket has these little plastic tabs, one on the top, one on the bottom, and you want to keep it all the way down as you're tightening the screw, so it's clamping the back of the drywall. Tighten the bottom screw and then the top screw. Next, figure out where you want the hole behind the TV. Don't put it too close to the edge of the TV because you don't want to see it from the side. And now it's really easy from here. I'm using a coat hanger, shoving it down the wall, pull it through the bottom hole, and then I tape the wires I want to run to the coat hanger. Once you pull the wires through, just put the plate on. So that's it. That's how you run your low voltage wires up to your TV. Now low voltage again is anything like data cables, stuff like that, speaker wires, the HDMI cables, the Cat5 cables, that's all low voltage. So remember, even though you see a lot of people running power cables, the power plugs up the wall just this exact same way, it's not up to code. What you should do for that is tap in to the bottom outlet and run a Romex cable up and do a new outlet on top, and I'll address that in a later video. But anyway, I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment section, and I always do my best to answer. Also, if you want to support this channel, you can do that by clicking the support button. And have an awesome day, guys. See you later.